Greetings. Welcome to the middle of week 7. We are approaching the final week, and I want to commend everybody for a tremendous amount of work and for really putting themselves out in that narrative essay and telling your stories. So many of them were very engaging and moving, and then moving right into the persuasive essay, which is, I know, very different and very difficult and has very specific demands. I want to remind you of just a few things. First, this week you are submitting your revised final persuasive essay. And when we say revised, we mean we look for a serious revision, improvement, strengthening, and particularly think of the areas that are on the rubric, and that is your thesis. Make sure your thesis is strong. Make sure that the essay follows that thesis. There should be 3 claims within your thesis. There should be solid research and evidence. That evidence should be integrated. Remember, in order to cite properly, you should have an in-text citation which is placed at the very spot that you are quoting, paraphrasing, or summarizing in the body of the text. And that needs to be tied to a reference or works cited at the end of your paper. So it's 2 things you need to do to cite correctly. And look at the structure. Look at the overall flow of the information from the introduction to the examination of each of your claims or supporting evidence, paragraph by paragraph, and a consideration of the opposing view, and then the conclusion. If it falls logically, if your thesis is strong, if your evidence is clear, and if you are citing correctly, you'll be fine. So take some confidence. All of the materials, all the support you need is in the classroom, in the Writing Center. You feel free to contact me as well. Finally, one last word. Next week is the final week, but it's also 4th of July. So we are heading into the 4th of July. The end of class is, it ends on July 7th. So please be very clear that you need to get a little jump ahead. So we want to look at that week 8 and begin as early as possible, because the end of class is on that Tuesday right after the 4th of July holiday. So get done early, enjoy your family, enjoy the barbecues, have a great time, and finish your work and give yourself a big pat on the back. I look forward to seeing your final papers. I'll be here ready to answer questions whenever you need them. Take care.